This video is about manually clean your data, verifying and reporting, cleaning, and your data expectation. The final step in data cleaning, verification, and test. Number one, making sure data is properly verified is an important part of data cleaning process. Which of the following tasks are involved in this verification? Select all that apply. Manually fixing any errors. No. Rechecking the data cleaning effort, considering whether the data is credible and appropriate for the project. Asking to no. Number two, to count the total number of spreadsheet values within a specific range. The data analyst used counter. A data analyst is cleaning a dataset with inconsistent formats and repeated cases. They use the trim function to remove extra spaces. Yeah, data cleaning. Duplicate. Yeah. Number four, to correct a typo in a database column. Where should I insert? Where? Select and case when something then something else and ended as what? Which one? Select order. Don't tell me malefic. Are you kidding me? Never mind. It's not that important. I will pass this video. Alright, thank you.